Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Glance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you cannot get notified on every messages in conversation on Discord. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Discord app in your device. Then tap on settings icon. Next, scroll until you find notifications. Then tap on it. After that, you can see the option of notify on every new message in conversations. Turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you cannot get notified on every new message in conversations on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.